Good morning, students. I am your new maths teacher. First of all, congratulate to you all and welcome you all to class 1. Myself, Dorothy Nath. I am going to teach you maths. Hope you all will cooperate with me. So, all of you please take out your maths book and take out chapter number 1. That is in page number 10. And here it is. Our first chapter is pre-number concepts. See, pre-number concepts. So today we will be learning new concepts. Today we will be learning some new concepts and or new words. What are the new words? It is on, under, above and below. Okay. First of all we will learn on and under. Okay. How do you spell on? How do you spell on? O-N. On, right? And how do you spell under? U-N-D-E-R. Under. Okay. So now you see the picture I have given in your WhatsApp group. In the left side, the cat is sitting on the chair. And in the right side, the cat is sitting under the chair. So, children, do you get it? Okay. Hope all of you have understood. Now, you again see the another picture I have given in your WhatsApp. In this picture, the cat is on the table and the dog is under the table. Have you understood, my dear students? So, on means what? On means physically in contact with and supported by surface, and under means below or lower than something else. For example, he hide under the bed. Understood? Somehow you hide or not? Somehow you were hide, na? Okay. So now we will be learning another new concepts. So what are the new concepts? It is above and below. Okay. So how do you spell above? It is A-B-O-V-E. Above. And the next one is below. And how do you spell it? B-E-L-O-W. Okay, repeat it again. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Okay. So now what do you mean by these two concepts, above and below? What does it mean? Above is something which is placed on top position. Top. Now see, we will having our face, right? So what all of you have seen on your face? We have our eyes, we have our nose, we have our mouth, right? So, if I ask you, what is the position of your eyes on your face? Where is the eyes placed on your face? The eyes is on the top position, right? So, our eyes are above our nose. What is the position of our mouth? Sorry, what is the position of the mouth? It is above or below? Where it is? Yes, It is below. The mouth is below the nose. So, above means something which is placed up. Now, keeping the nose in the center position, what is the position of your eyes? The eyes are above, means it is on the upper side, right? So, something is on the upper side is called as above, and something which is on the lower side is called as below. So, children, how you have understood the meaning of on, under, above and below? Have you understood? Now, let's come to the textbook. Chapter number 1. Pre-number concept. So, here is the question. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. Here are some words in the brackets and you have to fill the blanks. Understood? Here, in your textbook, a picture of a bedroom is given. See, this is the picture. Isn't it? This is the picture of a bedroom. So, the first question is, the clock is on the wall. Sorry, the clock is dash the wall. We have to write it. The clock is dash the wall. So, this is the clock. This is the clock. On or under? What you will write here? On or under? Yes, here we will write the clock is on the wall because the clock is in the contact with the wall. It is in the contact with the wall. So, here we will write on. Now, the second question is, the fan is dash the bed, below or above? The fan is dash the bed, below or above? What we will write, children? Say. Yes, the correct answer is the fan is above the bed. Because above means upper. Above means upper and something which is in the upper side. No? And the fan is always in the upper side. We know it. And it is also given in the picture. You can see it from your book. Okay. Now, the third question is, you see, the ball is dash the table, on or under? Where is the ball in the picture? See? Yes. This is the ball in the picture, na? So, the answer will be what? Have you seen? Yes. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. Under means below or lower than something else. Now, the fourth question is, the doll is dash the chair, on or under? The doll is dash the chair. What we will write? On or under? So, yes, the doll is on the chair. You see, the doll is sitting on the chair because it is in contact with the chair, na? So, we will write here on. The doll is sitting, the doll is on the chair. The next question is, the cat is dash the bed. The cat is dash the bed. So, what we will write here? The cat is where? Under or above? Under or above? What? Yes, the correct answer is the cat is under the bed. The cat is below or lower the bed. So, we will write here under, not above. Okay? Okay, children. Hope you all have understood your first chapter, pre-number concept. That is on, under, above and below. If anyone is having any confusion or doubt, please ask me. I will explain you again. Now, you do it in your book and send the photo of the page to me. Okay? Until then, take care. Thank you and bye-bye.